Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aryani. I study at Christian University of Indonesia Toraja and I take English department. I'm from class A Makale and I made this video to fulfill the segment of speaking for academic purpose. The title of the video that I watched is How to Talk Your Studies in English. In this lesson, you can learn to talk about your studies in English. Are you a student? Do you study at school or university? If you finish your study, can you describe what you study, when, and where? Talking about your study could help you in conversation in an exam such as IELTS or in a job interview. So, it's good to be able to talk clearly about your studies in English. Okay, let's start with the basic. Part 1. Talking about where you study. Look at the simple sentence. I'm a student. I study at. What could you put in the gap? You could say, I study at high school or I study at university. You can also put the place before the word student like this. I'm a high school student or I'm a university student. Of course, you can also say, I'm an English student. If you are a student now, can you make a sentence to say where you study? Next, let's see how you can talk about your study. Part 2. Talking about what you study. Again, let's start with a simple sentence. I'm studying for. What could you say here? Look at some example. I'm studying for an international baccalaureate. Instead of I'm studying for, you can also say I'm doing for like this. I'm doing a PhD in cryptography or I'm doing a VCE course. If you are talking a professional certification, you can also say I'm studying to become. For example, I'm studying to become a cardiology nurse, or I'm studying to become an accountant. Part 3. Adding details to your answer. What about you? What are you studying? Okay, let's see how you can make your answer more details. Look at the sum of the sentence we saw in part 2. I'm studying for an international baccalaureate. I'm doing an VCE course. I'm studying to become an accountant. Our job is to add one more sentence to each example giving more details. To help you do this, think about this question. 1. What do you do to have to do for this course? 2. Why are you doing this course? 3. What do you hope to get at the end of this course? Can you think the way to make our example more detailed? Let's do example together. I'm studying for an international baccalaureate. That means I'm doing English language, literature, math, history, and philosophy. What about you? Think about our question again. Can you answer this question to make your speaking more detailed? Try to say as much as you can about your studies, using the 3 questions to help you. Hopefully, now you can talk about where and when you study and give some details. But what do you think of your studies? 4. Giving your opinion. How could you describe course of whatever you're studying now? Do you like what you're studying? Why or why not? To help you think about this idea, is what you are studying interesting or boring? Why? Is it difficult or easy? Again, try to explain why. Let's do some example together. I'm studying for an international baccalaureate. I like it, but it's hard work because I have to do 5 different subjects and there's a lot of works each one. So I don't have much free time. Do you think you could make an answer like this? Here's a basic template you can use. I'm studying. I find it because. Let's do more examples so you can see how to use this template. I'm studying engineering. I find it quite hard because there's a lot of maths and things you have to remember. Part 5. Making a longer answer. At this point, you should be able to talk about what you study. Give details about your course or subject and give your opinion about what you are studying. And now, let's put everything together and make a longer answer. So, use the sentence you have practiced in the previous section like this. I'm in my last year of high school. I'm studying for an international baccalaureate. That means I'm doing English language and literature, math, history and philosophy. I like it, but it's hard work because I have to do 5 different subjects and there is a lot of work for each one, so I don't have much free time. Now, what about you? Can you make a longer answer like this? It should be easy. Just put together the example sentence you made at the end of each section. That's the end of the lesson. I hope you learned something new and thank you to see. Goodbye.